I was
Go
gonna say, do
ahead.
you remember how much you figured out it cost you to do laundry?
Yeah, let me share my screen and I can show you my little Excel. Let me figure out which one it is. Here we go. The cost analysis. Let me know if you can see it. Can you see it?
It is popping up right now.
Yes. So this was what I came up with my cost per pound analysis, and this was the average cost per pound when it came to me doing laundry. So about 32 cents. I will say that I didn't know how to incorporate gas and all that stuff, so I kind of just put that there. If you have any input on how to do that, please let me know so we can all know.
Yeah, well, no, we could
But
definitely talk that for sure. It's tough. Yeah, it's a tough one to figure out for sure.
yeah, so this is what I came up with. I did the detergent. I had Clorox wipes because I wanted to wipe down the table after every person's laundry that I did. I had the plastic bags, which I was putting customers' laundry in garbage bags when I first started. Clean laundry in garbage bags. Shame, shame, shame. Don't do that. Go to Cleaner Supply and get the nice plastic bags. They're cheap. They're cheap. I promise. And they look good. I had thank you cards that I would put in residential clients' bags that let me see. I think I have some right here. Hold on. I don't know if they can see my camera, but
Mhm.
if you can, thank you cards that also has a QR code that sends them to a link tree that has like review us on Google, Yelp to get what is it, $10 off of your next order. Also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, all the socials, and order again. So this is one thing that I do recommend that laundry delivery companies have is a thank you card to put right on top of your bag. So when they open it, they see, oh, thank you. And they're like, oh, yes, girl, you're welcome. So I had that. I had stickers for commercial clients to put their bag tag or their receipt on the bag. We had sock sleeves, which shout out to Waleed again. We put some oh, this is another thing that I did that I should have done. I should have done this in the beginning of my laundry journey, but I did it after things went to chaos. But I had sock sleeves that I put on customers' socks. They also had a QR code that led them to our Instagram page so that they could put a photo on their story or something and tag us, put our hashtag on there. So that's another thing that I put in the cost. And all customers got a free fresh and mobile bag their first order after things went to chaos. Something that I would have done in the beginning again. And yeah, that is pretty much how I got that number. Luckily for me, I didn't have to figure out how much water it cost me, like some laundromat owners have to do. This is for the people that are doing laundry without a laundromat and using somebody else's laundromat. So this is how I got that